Welcome. This episode we will be building part 3-16, the boiler tube for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-16, the boiler tube for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. So open up template MMGS. Okay, this piece is pretty straightforward. It's basically just a tube. So we go 1, 2, smart dimension. Outside one is 19. Inside one is 17. Nope, 17. Extrude. Mid-plane, it is 217. Done. Color, that'll do. And that is it. And that's part 3-16, the boiler tube done. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Very short episode. I think the intro is longer. So if you enjoyed that, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.